Hello there everyone, today's video we're going to take a look at the Reform Party tax announcements in their manifesto for the upcoming general election in the UK. So the first things that they've got in that manifesto with regards to income tax is they would increase the personal allowance from $12,500 to $20,000, the point at which everybody starts to pay tax. That is a significant hike. Higher rate threshold, again they're proposing quite a large hike from just over 50,000 to 70,000, so you've got to earn 70 grand before you start to pay 40% tax. Stamp duty land tax, they would abolish SDLT on all properties with a value below £750,000, 750 grand, which is about 3 times higher than the current limit. Inheritance tax, they would only apply inheritance tax to estates with a value in excess of 2 million. Currently, that is £1 million, assuming you've got a husband and wife, nil rate bands, and the house allowance. So they would double that allowance for IHT. It would start to kick in at £2 million of net value of estate. What else have we got from the Reform Party? VAT. They would scrap VAT on energy bills. Currently, there is a reduced rate of VAT on energy bills. It's 5%. They would get rid of that in its entirety. Standard rate of VAT. They would lower the standard rate from 20% to 18%. And the third thing that they would do on VAT is increase the registration threshold. Currently, it's 90,000. It was 85 for a while. Tories just recently upped it to 90. If Reform got in, they would up it to 120,000 before. This is sales, income and turnover before you have to be registered for VAT. Okay, fuel duty. They would knock 20p off a litre of fuel in terms of the fuel duty. All right, what else have we got from Reform? We've got corporation tax. They have said that they would reduce the main rate of corporation tax from 25% down to 20%. Now remember, it was 19%, and then the Conservatives put it up to 25% last year, 2023. Farage and his crew have said they will get it down to 20%. And abolish IR35. A lot of contractors being caught out by IR35. A lot of high-profile celebrities even have been caught out by IR35, which is notoriously difficult, and it's very controversial. I mean, you've only got to look at some of the cases, particularly amongst the celebrity set, where you think to yourself, well, hang on, they're doing the same thing, these two. They're both presenters with the same channel. How come one is in IR35 and one is not? So Reform have said, look, we will just abolish IR35 if they got into power. And what else have they said? They said business rates. They will abolish all business rates for small and medium-sized enterprises, for SMEs. And they will also introduce a new tax, a new, what they call online delivery tax of 3%. Basically a bit of levelling up to help the distressed retailers in the high street. So that this delivery tax would apply to all the online retailers who deliver goods to the masses. So there you go. There's an overview then of the tax announcements in the manifesto. Well, strictly speaking, the manifesto for Reform hasn't been released, but all of these announcements have been released. The actual document itself due out on the 17th of June. Where are we now? On the 10th of June. But yeah, so wait and see if there's any changes to this lot, but this is already what's been leaked in the press. It's been disclosed. So there you go. The tax announcements of Farage and Co. If you like this video, please do subscribe. And as always, I'll see you soon.